Our project has a very strong focus on payments, and payments in particular do require certain specifications out of a blockchain to work properly. If you're looking at the global amount of transactions that people potentially would want to have processed, we are looking at a very much higher number than what the Nimiq 1.0 blockchain is currently capable of doing.
Related to that is the switch from proof of work to proof of stake, because proof of stake is enabling us to have a much more efficient and much more performant blockchain, and also makes the whole thing a lot more energy or environmentally friendly and more sustainable by getting rid of all those expensive computations that we need for proof of work.
The main benefit is the energy consumption that will decrease fundamentally. In proof of work, a lot of energy is required for the security of the network. In proof of stake, the security comes from different properties. In that case, it comes from people staking their funds and the amount of funds being staked.
We really make a nice package with 2.0 that serves all these aspects of being fast, being very decentralized, and at the same time very energy efficient and a green blockchain.